What is up, guys? I'm going to teach you how to turn your free/basic version of Windows 10 on your virtual machine into the full version using this activation script that I'll leave in the description comment section below. So basically what you're going to see is this. You're going to want to copy and paste this text into a notepad document. It comes with all your Windows computers. Copy and paste it. You're going to want to go to File, Save or Save As, same thing. You're going to want to go to Text Documents, All Files. Then at the end of it, you want to type in .bat to save it as a batch file. So that when you open up your folder, you'll see it's a batch file. I don't need it anymore because I already have one. But it'll be a batch file, which means it'll auto run in terminal. So you're going to want to start up your machine first. I'm just going to let this load up really quick. Once it's loaded up, you're going to want to go to your Oracle Box Manager, click on the machine you want, Settings, Shared Folders, Add a Folder, Folder path. You're going to want to go to where your Windows activation script is, make sure it's in a folder, then you click select that folder, and if you want to make sure the folder pops up in your virtual machine every single time or it stays there, you're going to want to click make permanent. If not, you're going to have to do this whole thing over and over again every time you turn on your virtual machine. You're going to click OK, OK, it's done. You're not done yet. You have to go back to your virtual machine, go to Devices, Insert Guest Editions on CD Image. You want to click that. Then wait a second. Then go to your File Explorer. Let that load up. Then you want to go to this PC. Then go to CD drive. Double click on that. And here you go. It's going to load up really quick. You're going to want to click on VirtualBox Windows Editions, right? Because it's the Windows one. It's not the Linux that I'm running. I'm running the Windows. You want to double click on that. It's going to prompt you with, do I want to make the change? Do you want this app to allow to make the changes on your device? You just click yes. And then after you did that, double clicked and installed it, you want to go to okay, so after you did that, you want to click on this, the wizard, click next, next, install. So it's installing all the stuff that's in the folder and some extra little stuff to help out with it. You want to click install for everything. You want to make sure it reboots now, finish. You don't have to reboot it instantly, but it's better to do it with the video to make sure you know what you're doing if you're lost, so you can catch up. You're going to want to open back up your Windows. It's going to be locked. Just put in your password, whatever you put in when we first set up the machine. Now that your computer is turned on, you're going to want to go to Folder, File Explorer, then Network, let's say you don't have it turned on, you're going to want to just turn it on real quick. Yes, turn on Network. Refresh that and it'll say VBOXSVR. You're going to want to double click on that and you'll see Windows 10 activation scripts. You click on that, click on Windows 10. It's going to load, it's going to go through it, activating your Windows. And there you go. Your Windows is activated. There you go. And it's new Windows. You're going to want to go to your VirtualBox Manager. Very important part. You want to go to your snapshots and take a new snapshot of this, because you're not going to want to do this process every time just to get it. So you make a snapshot and say activated Windows. So thank you so much for watching. I already said this. Like, comment, subscribe below. Peace.